Today is a day of rejuvenation. Starting off exterior repairs and renovations. First thing I want to do is get the lot clear of just all debris that has collected throughout the months that this property has basically been sitting vacant. Then it's time to hit the road. Let's go to Home Depot. Let's pick up a couple things. We got a couple great ideas, and I'm gonna show you all how to get a lot of budget shopping in for a budget-friendly quote at your local Home Depot. Let's go.
I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing.
We quickly learned that upon purchasing the property, the first renovation priority should always be enhancing the curb appeal. You see, the curb appeal is the first thing that prospective tenants see, and the cleanliness of the landscape or the lack thereof can attract a certain type of tenant. So if you want someone that's responsible, that takes pride in the upkeep of their curb appeal or of your curb appeal, lead by example and set the bar to begin a relationship.
How are you, sir?
Chilling, brother. How are you, man?
All right.
Alright.
Hi, Mama. Hi. Good, how are you? What's your guys' name again?
Oh, Ashton.
Monet.
Monet?
Yeah.
We were like, totally forgot.
It's all good. It's all Marcellus, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So listen,
Yeah.
those things are way more than what we priced out, bro.
What's that?
Those lattice?
Oh, shit.
Yeah, way double
Double?
what we said.
Oh, whoa.
Yeah, so I don't know what we're gonna. They don't have the
Oh.
wood ones?
You want the wooden one?
Oh, what is the wooden
They're
was
more.
more?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Really?
How much is this?
They like $40 each.
$40 each.
So I got.
Let's go see what they got.
Let's go double.
How many we need?
I counted 10, but I got 8 because that way you guys still got some, and we can take what you got and run around the trailer.
Okay.
Let's
I was
see
gonna
what
put the
else-
good
let's go see
ones
what they
out
got.
around the porch.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, right here.
And then we got enough to go around the tall end of the hitch in the front,
Real close.
and then around the back or around the sewage
back of the
pipe.
trailer, real close.
Okay.
See, look, way over there.
Do you think it's anywhere? Do you think that it's anywhere where they might have it for cheaper? Maybe is that?
Yeah.
Dang.
I mean, if only other places closed, and you can see what they charge and they will go about, but them the only 2 places got it.
Okay.
See right there, them the 24.
Oh, these are little ones.
Yeah,
But they're only half.
yeah.
What are these? Half them? Oh, they're just wider. These are the 24. See, the holes are wider.
So you want to go with them?
Shit, yeah.
They're 24?
Yeah. What's the price on there? I can't see. That's
Oh, so that's the top one is 42.
because of the holes are
Yeah.
more secluded. Like
Yeah.
more, what do you call that? More privacy.
Yeah.
Private.
More privacy.
You can get
Yeah.
away with that.
Yeah. That's good. Yeah.
And they are 29 for the
For the wood ones, 29.
for the wood ones.
For the big ones down here on the bottom.
Same sizes, those same opening size and everything.
Okay.
Look how much the wood is in every floor. Look. For the little one.
Damn.
Crazy, huh?
Yeah, it is.
So what you want to go with, the
For
wood?
25, I mean. The other one's cheaper.
This one's cheap.
Yeah, 25.
Let me roll this thing back.
What? Okay. So check it out. Nah, what I'm thinking is if I like the wood better, honestly, but we already got that ugly ass white.
White one, that's not
At-
Going
good.
at-
around the
exactly.
already, so you don't want to mismatch it.
Exactly.
Unless you put just the wood around the
Carport.
carport part,
And put the lattice around the.
around the
Well, you
crib.
can
But
paint
that's
it
up to
white.
you.
You can paint
Yeah,
it
you
white.
can paint it white.
It would match, but that one's still cheaper though.
Yeah, that's still cheap.
Okay. So,
Let's go with this one.
I mean, shit, I'm cool with it. Now, being completely transparent, I do have a confession. Prior to this investment, I was completely unfamiliar with Home Depot, their options, their product arrangements, and even their prices. It does pay to either bring hired handymen that know their way around, or either call ahead and have one of the staff members collect your items, or even accompany you throughout your shopping journey. The lack of having this help can literally end up turning into unproductive hours lost inside of America's largest home improvement warehouse, Home Depot.
Y'all seeing how you flip it and stack it? Yeah. You put your little sock on. You put your little socks. Okay. There we go. Got your sock on. For your teeth bothering you? Is your teeth bothering you, mama? Huh? Alright. Daddy-o, what you doing?
Trying to figure out what kind of straps we need. Yo, you want the thread strap? Alright, how many of them do we need? Okay. Now in the state of Florida, it's very important that you strap down and secure a mobile home simply just because of the weather conditions. I mean, hurricanes, tropical storms, unprotected, unsecured, no straps in a mobile home. Man, I wish you luck. The biggest takeaway from jumping into and being hands-on with the Home Depot shopping experience yourself is that you get a chance to explore all the many different options and decor that Home Depot has to offer, which can allow you to daydream, if you will. But for those committed to a plan, see, these daydreams, they eventually convert into some amazing future interior design ideas.
My future kitchen countertops will be, I don't know, I definitely want something light. This is nice. This is a nice kitchen countertop. I like this one. I like that because that's neutral. I mean, that one is cool too, but oh, how much does something like that cost? Greens and cream. Yeah, this one is nice.
That's the magic eraser, huh?
Wait till you see this stuff, bro. You're gonna
And you say this stuff can do what? You can get
listen. Kim,
anything, any
Kim should be the
stains.
spokesman for it because she's swears by this.
Damn.
Yeah, I've used that before.
You have? Good stuff, huh?
Yeah, it does get the scum off.
Took me a long night.
Oh man.
Guy just called. He got one of them doom buggies,
Yeah.
and the belt done came off. So he done dropped that at my house already.
Oh man.
I told him it'll be sometime tonight.
Yeah.
Tell them about Magic Eraser. Kim, can you be the spokesman for Magic Eraser?
Oh, they're wonderful. Oh my god, I have a magic to erase my whole house at times. I started one time when I had the old brown house in the kitchen. Next thing you know, I was in the kitchen, I was in the bathroom, I was everywhere. And my mom used to call me and be like, what do you do with magic erasing your house? That's so funny.
So I'll do the and then all that.
I have $2. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Let's get this price up on here. Excuse me, ma'am.
35 here.
Come here, my babies. Saki, come on. All right, I like it on budget.
Yeah.
Let's hold on to that.
Thank you so much.
You want me to hold on to that? The receipt?
Yeah.
All right.
Staying within or under budget always gives you leverage in the long run. There will always be extra unexpected expenses during your very first real estate investment property experience. Staying within budget gives you the necessary cushion to be able to keep the ship afloat if and when disaster strikes. You never know when you might have to convert a central AC unit to a mini split, costing several of thousands of dollars, which could derail or even stall a project for even months if you are not prepared financially.
We gotta get something put up under that.
Do we need center blocks also for the because remember you said you want to.
I got some blocks at my house.
Okay, cool.
We'll
I
do
can
that.
bring it in.
We'll come back.
Y'all got a bunch of center blocks at the house?
Yeah.
Cause I'm gonna use those to create the little plant thing around in front of those. I'm gonna spray paint them and put some
garden around the whole house.
Yeah.
Outlining the whole house.
All right, cool. Awesome.
If I don't have enough center blocks, I got some kind of design blocks that we can put around to make it.
Okay. That we can put plants in? Okay, perfect.
Join us on our family's journey to renovating and leasing our new mobile home property to generate monthly cash flow.
Within you.